way, let us introduce ourselves.
My name is Ayasa Melka.
My name is Tifa Kinaya.
This is me, Nurul Mainza.
My name is Latisha Areta. My name is Mutiara Putati.
My name is Ayasa Salmanura.
My name is Marina Radia.
So the inspiration for this project comes from the need to find sustainable solution for waste management and energy production. By utilizing the thermal energy stored in plastics, we can create a practical approach to reducing waste and producing usable fuels like diesel, gasoline, or kerosene. And this aligns with the global shift towards a circular economy and sustainable development. And the core concept of this project is based on the process of pyrolysis. It is a thermochemical decomposition of plastic materials at high temperatures in the absence of oxygen. And during pyrolysis, long polymer chains in plastics break down into smaller hydrocarbon molecules, resulting in the production of liquid fuel, gas, and char.
This is the design of this project. Firstly and mainly, here we have a compressor. The compressor is used as a tool for heating the plastic ore in order for it to become fuel. The jet is used to close the circulation, and the hose is for connecting the product of the pyrolysis into the bottle. The job that you can't say on the hose is the product, which is the fuel. And we also need a fire to hit the compressor so that the pyrolysis process will happen. And in order for the fire to be stable, we need fireworks to make the fire. The rock that you see under the compressor is used to act as a fireplace or to hold the compressor at the right height. And lastly, the product, which is the fuel that we got from the plastic ore that we have gone through the pyrolysis process. We got around 100 milliliters of fuel.
Analysis. The result 200 grams of 6 minutes produce 100 milliliters. And the result above we compare with ordinary fuel sold at a price of 10,000 rupiah per liter. We conclude that this process is not so efficient because within 2 months it only produces 100 milliliters of gasoline and 100 milliliters in ordinary fuel is sold at a price of 1,000 rupiah. So we think it's not worth it.
So I will tell you about theory and report. The purpose of this practicum is that we want to minimize plastic waste, which we can see that currently plastic waste is very stored and very difficult to decompose. From this point of view, we are inspired to process the plastic waste into something more useful than fuel. The processing of plastic waste into fuel is carried out using the pyrolysis method. Pyrolysis method is the process of decomposition of a material at high temperatures, which takes place in the absence of air or with limited air. And we also carry out a chemical decomposition process, namely the separation of chemical compound into 2 or more parts or into simpler compounds. That's what makes steam and water droplets form so that it becomes fuel.
I will describe the work step of our project. First, design all future progress in structured manner. Next, collect as many plastic bottles as you need plastic ore, and then list and prepare tools and materials. Next, for the first 4 weeks, we cut plastic bottle into plastic ore. Next, clean the compressor, and then seal holes except for hose, and put plastic ore into the compressor. Attach the hose to the holes. Next, build a furnace with wood rock, and then place the compressor on the furnace. Light the alloy and keep the fire stable. Wait for water droplet or evaporation result to occur. And after 30 minutes, 1 kilogram of plastic ore will produce 100 ml of fuel.
Conclusion, in terms of the plastic, which we know is difficult to decompose, can be utilized into something much more useful. But it does require adequate facilities that for us it will be difficult due to lack of preparation and lack of explanation and understanding, so that many mistakes occur during the process. For the first suggestion, we should make a timeline. Second one, better process that is clear.
The third, iron pipe should be longer. The fourth, draft is purchased with iron material so that don't melt. And the fifth, if for learning, it is better to use simple tools and material such as pens so as not to use a compressor.
Summary of the project that we have done for 2 months. So in the first week, we looked for ideas and we start collecting and washing the bottles. In the second week, so the fourth week, we start cutting the bottle into small pieces. The weight is around 1 kilogram. The fifth week to the seventh week, we start preparing the materials that we need. And finally, in the 8 weeks, we start doing the practicum and we managed to get 100 milliliter of full oil from plastic in 60 minutes.